Welcome to the Reborn Baby Doll Hobby. A brand new channel, a brand new start, and this is going to be the beginning of my tutorial. And I've got everything lined up here to show you what I start with. First thing is the kit. This is the 3/4 limb older bountiful baby kit. It's a biracial vinyl kit, and it's Kyra by Eva Helland. I've got my Genesis paint thinner, odorless paint thinner in that squeeze bottle right there. I've got my Pyrex glass mixing bowls, which is how I mix my Genesis heat set paints. These are my Genesis heat set paints right here. You can't see the colors at the moment. I just found these separators, these little box separators, and I like to keep my Genesis heat set oil paints level because they will kind of tilt in the jar, and I like to keep them level, and I found this to be very helpful for that. I've got my cosmetic sponges, got 2 different kinds here, and these are wooden craft sticks. These are what I use to scoop the paint out of there and into here. And then I take my mop brush, my 1/2 inch mop brush, and I mix the odorless paint thinner in with the color into this glass custard dish. And I will use saran wrap to cover the paint when I'm done to keep it somewhat dust free. And it's handy to keep toothpicks handy because you're going to need them to use here and there. These are pointy Q-tips on one side and flat rounded on the other. They come in handy. These are all the brushes that I use to create my dolls. Various different thicknesses, textures, and I use them for various different things. And as I start my painting, I will tell you how I begin and what color I use to start with and what brushes I use and how I mix my paints. But this is just an intro, and I welcome you. And in order to help my channel out and to help my channel grow, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so that it looks like it's ringing, and leave a like, a thumbs up, and a comment. So welcome. I hope to see lots more of you. Thanks for watching. Bye.